Welcome to ProdPanda AI, where we simplify product management and in minutes. In the last episode, we met Aditi and Ramesh, two users, same product, very different behavior. Now imagine this. User opens your app, clicks something, gets confused, closes it, and never comes back. At ProdPanda AI, we call this instant product failure. So what exactly is a user journey? At ProdPanda AI, we define it as the actual path a user takes to achieve a goal. Not the path you designed, the path they actually follow. Think of it like Google Maps. You want to go from home to office. There are multiple routes, some fast, some confusing, some full of traffic. Your product is the map. User journey is the route. Most teams design screens. At ProdPanda AI, we say, great teams design journeys. Because users don't care about features. They care about getting things done. Let's take Aditi. She opens your app, logs her mood, checks insights, books therapy, smooth, logical, frictionless. That's a good journey. Now meet Ramesh. He opens the app, looks around, doesn't understand anything, closes it. At ProdPanda AI, we call this user churn in 5 seconds. Here's the key insight. Different users take different paths to reach the same goal. As highlighted in your module, even the same outcome can have completely different journeys depending on the user. And if you ignore that, you lose users. A user journey has 3 parts: entry point, actions, outcome. At ProdPanda AI, we say, if the journey is confusing, the product is broken. Biggest mistake: designing for the perfect path. Real users don't behave perfectly. They click randomly. They get distracted. They make mistakes. Your product must handle that chaos. Great product teams map journeys, identify friction, fix drop-offs, because every extra step is a chance to lose the user. Here's the big idea. You're not designing screens. You're designing experiences, and experiences are just user journeys. If you're enjoying this series, subscribe to ProdPanda AI, because product management doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next